Hello, hi Anjali.
Hello, sir.
So, have you decided which one will you pick, which offer?
I'm thinking of Truecaller only.
And
That's
what
all.
all offers do you have at the moment?
At the moment, I have two offers with
Okay.
Bitgo and Truecallers. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Sure. Why did you choose analytics? Like, what did you like?
Very much point is the person who is leading Analytics Shiksha itself is a data analytics, or he can refer you in many places. And then when I saw your course content, the course content didn't talk a lot about jargons or the buzzing keywords like ML, AI. It was mostly focused upon what is required at the bare minimum to get you started.
In my job search process, Analytics Shiksha played a key role. Like they have given me multiple referrals and they have given me multiple LinkedIn posts where I can apply directly. So through that only I got opportunities. So cognizant I was able to convert into full-time role. When I got scheduled the interview, like the mentoring sessions with you, the mock interviews, definitely that helped me.
Would you like to recommend Analytics Shiksha to other aspirants or students? If yes, then why?
Yes, of course, I would like to recommend this course because I have done already courses, but no one helped me in this way. Even I have done job guarantee programs, not even a single interview conducted from those courses. And with this, I would say that one-on-one mock interview, this was really amazing. And one is problem solving module.
Experience was good. I attended problem solving module. Apart from the reading materials and all the videos that we have, we got a real time experience as well, because that you bring one problem from the current work that you are doing and you try to fit it into this framework and then solve it. Post that the interview also, that one-on-one mock interview that you conducted, that was also very helpful, and all this gave me a confidence that yes, I can do much better in the original interview. The kind of mentorship and guidance that you provide, that is like next level. That is, I'll rate 5-star.
And what did you feel about the projects and all? The projects, did they help you?
Yes, really helpful. That's why I got a job.